How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to share with you a new cat mode I made. Is for you to generate some kind of UUID, but with a customized pattern. You can just change the number here, and this is going to be the last part of this kind of identifier. So let's use our custom and move this to 4, 2, 6, 8 and 7. Okay, so when we have this cat mode installed, we can just come to any template or room, for instance here, and we can call ct.ulid dot custom, and this is going to generate, let's call this this dot id room, and when we start the game, we can check if in this city room is an ID generated. So here we have our crystals, golden, and our ID room here with the pattern we choose before here. Four, 2, 6. I know there is another which is called Nano ID, this one, which pretty much do the same, but with the Nano ID you can generate something like this or something like this, but is too short for my kind of identification. I like this notation, which is 8, 4, 4, 4 and 12. This is how regular UB4 UUID is generated. This is 8, 4, 4, 4 and 12. This is used for the generate a unique identifier. But I really like to have this cat mode here, because we can change the length from 1 to 16. So we maybe want to make an ID of only 111. Right, we set our regex to be 111, and when we launch the game, since we call that custom function, here we have 08K4G, always separated with a score a dash, sorry. So now change this to the most monstrous UID you can find in the world, which is 16, 16, 16, 16, and check what we got is something like this. Some ID like this. As you can see, when you use the most higher values, it is always starts with a 0 dot, 0 dot, 0 dot, just to identify each one of them to be different like the other. And that's it. That is only just to show what this Catmod do. And this is my current game, which is pretty stupid really, but I'm learning how to use CT.js this week, so I made this little game. It has almost everything that a platformer needs. You can die, respawn into the checkpoint, die again. As you can see here, I have 5 lives. The key is already got. The crystals or coins, I need to change this sprite to be a coin, not a crystal. And the monster has his own HP, so when you hit them, the HP runs out. And of course, if you don't have the key, you can't enter or maybe exit to the next level. So now I'm not getting the key. I can't open that door. And since we don't have any more levels, we can't get out of here. So that's it. I don't think this is going to be available on the CT.js engine itself, because I already have another pull request to the GTS to the CT.js repo on GitHub, but it has a lot of this one for you to make game distribution, but it has a lot of changes to make, so I'm not going to upload this to the CT.js repo. If you want this module for you, just send me a message on the YouTube channel and I give you the source code. No problem. Okay, so bye bye.